Hmm?
I read it.
You read it?
Yeah.
Okay, you read it.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I read it.
What do you say?
Pink.
Okay. Today we're going to learn about opposites. Stop and go. What is that?
Chicken.
What is it?
Chicken.
Octagon, right? The opposite of tall is short. Can you say short?
Two.
Right. Short. The opposite of day is, can you say night?
Right.
Right. See the stars and the moon? Elmo loves opposites. Stop, go. Can you say stop and go?
Go.
Okay, can you say up and down?
Go.
Tucker Jones, say up and down.
Mom, sit down.
Down, right.
So green.
Where's green? Where's yellow? Right, where's red? And where's green? Good girl. I love you. Can you say I love you?
Hello.
Love you. Can you blow kisses? Can you blow kisses?
Look. Come on. Mommy. It's coffee.